National Leprosy Eradication Program or National Leprosy Control Program. It is a centrally sponsored health scheme of Ministry and of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India to eradicate the leprosy in India to launch the National Leprosy Control Program. The National Leprosy Control Program can be implemented in central level and also implemented in states and union territories. It can be supported by partners World Health Organization and International Federation of Anti-Leprosy Associations and other non-government organizations. The first national control program can be introduced in 1983. It can constitute the National Leprosy Control Program in 1955. Leprosy is a chronic, curable. It is a chronic, curable, infectious disease caused by affected to the skins and most commonly affected to the nervous. It is most commonly affected by Mycobacterium tuberculosis leprae. It is a acid-fast bacteria. It is most commonly affected to the skin, eyes, nose, and peripheral nerves. It is the leprosy is the oldest disease. It is olden days. It is called as Kush rag. It is transmitted by airborne droplets and direct contact to the persons and also mechanical transfer and inoculation. In olden days, kalmugric oil is used as for treatment of leprosy and also sulfone containing drugs like dapsone is discovered in 1943. The multi-drug treatment is introduced in 1981 to treat the leprosy. There are the difference in between bacteriological classification of leprosy is there are two type of bacteria causes leprosy. QC bacillary and multibacillary. PC bacillary is non-infectious and tuberculoid and incubation period is 2 to 5 years. Less than 5 lesions are formed on the skin. It can be identified by positive lepromin test and there are few bacillus are identified. In multibacillary is infectious and lepromatous. Incubation period is varies from 8 to 12 years. More than 5 lesions are appeared on the skin and this negative lepromin test is identified and numerous bacillus are appeared. The major symptoms of leprosy is light to color to red skin patches with reducing the sensation and numbness and weakness in hands and foot. These are the major symptoms of leprosy. The transmission of leprosy through various routes, airborne infection to the inhalation of bacilli, direct contact with patient, direct contact with leprosy patients from bacillus from damaged skin, nasal secretions, mucous membranes of the mouth and hair follicles. In some cases, leprosy is also transmitted from mother to child across the placenta. This type of leprosy is also transmitted from milk, mother of leprosy women to the infants. World Health Organization gives the grades of leprosy. It gives number 0, 1, 2, eyes normal, it gives 0, corneal reflex is weak, 1, 2 indicates reduced weakness and lagopathomolas, hands are normal, 0, 1 indicates loss of feeling in palm of the hand, 2 indicates visible damage to the hands such as claw hands or loss of tissues. Feet are normal, it indicated by 0, loss of feeling in sole of the foot. It can be indicated by grade 1, visible damage to the foot indicated by grade 2 such as wounds, loss of tissue or foot drops. These are the various grades of leprosy given by World Health Organization 0, 1, 2 based upon their affected areas, eyes, hands and feet. In every year, January last Sunday is celebrated as World Leprosy Day to create awareness about leprosy. National Leprosy Eradication Program having a emblem. It is having house-like structure of fingers and also containing a lotus. This is a emblem of National Leprosy Eradication Program. It will contain house and lotus flower. These symbols create the beauty and purity in lotus. Leprosy can be cured and leprosy patient can useful member of the society in the form of partially affected thumb, a normal forefinger and shape of house. This symbol of hope and optimism in rising sun. The emblem captures the spirit of hope, positive action in the eradication of leprosy. Before the independence, leprosy patients are isolated and they are transported to the longer areas from the villages. The Leprous Act 1898 was enacted and the leprosy patients are segregated from the society. In 1955, National Leprosy Control Program was launched under the enactment of National Eradication Program. The major objective of National Leprosy Control Program is control the leprosy with dapsone. In 1983, launching National Leprosy Eradication Program. The milestones in National Leprosy Eradication Programs are in 1955, National Leprosy Control Program was launched by is a centrally sponsored by Central Health Scheme of Ministry and Health and Family Welfare of Government of India. The first attempt to deal with leprosy as done in 1952 by Gandhi Memorial Leprosy Foundation. He will start the and also launch the National Leprosy Control Program in 1955. In 1983, National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched. In 2005, elimination of leprosy at national levels. In 2006, prevention of disability prevention and medical rehabilitation is included in National Leprosy Eradication Program DPMR. In 2012, launching a special action plan for 209 high endemic districts in 16 states and union territories. The goal of 2016 to 2020 is to achieve grade 2 disability less than to grade 1 case per million of populations. In 2010, decreased the rate of disabilities in new cases among the 10 lakh populations by 35%. The major goal of 2020 is to decrease the visible disabilities less than 1 per 10 lakhs population in their community by 2020. These are the major milestones of National Leprosy Control Program. The National Leprosy Control Program is sponsored by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India. It can be directed by Deputy Director of General Health Services. The major aim of National Leprosy Control Program was to control the number of leprosy infections in India. It can be introduced in 1955. In 1983, the name can be changed to National Leprosy Eradication Program. The major aim of National Leprosy Eradication Program was to eradicate the leprosy in India by using various types of strategies. It can be launched in supported by World Bank. In 2019, giving a special action plan. The major objectives of national level leprosy eradication program in 2001 onwards do decentralize the national level eradication programs to establish the leprosy centers at state and districts and coordination with another leprosy control units and totally eliminate the leprosy at national levels. The major objectives of National Leprosy Eradication Program was early detection by using active surveillance by health trained workers and multi-drug therapy is given to leprosy patients in fixed or centers in endemic or normal districts and providing campaigns to health education and public awareness to remove the social problems attached to the diseases by strengthening the leprosy patients by adopting disability prevention and medical rehabilitation and also providing services to leprosy ulcers. The major goal of national level leprosy eradication program from the states and district level below level 1 case per 10,000 populations, and also reducing the grade 2 deformities less than 1 per 10,000 populations. The national level leprosy control program was launched in 1955. The multi-drug therapy is introduced in 1982, and 1983 national level leprosy eradication program was launched by decentralizing the development of various institutes in our country. First one is National Leprosy Teaching and Research Institute, CLTRI, at Chengalpattu in Tamil Nadu district. It is established by Government of India. It was taken by Government of India in 1974. It will giving diagnostic and treatment and referral services to leprosy patients, and also providing training to the physicians and clinical medicine and microbiology and biological laboratories and surgery and physiotherapy services to the staffs. There are having 125 bed capacity. These are recognized by Central Bureau of Health Intelligence. The next second institute is Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute, RLTRI, is established in 1979 at Raipur, Chhattisgarh district. It is having 75 beds hospital. It is used for outpatient department and field operations. The outpatient department treat leprosy cases with free of cost to the multi-drug therapy services. The inpatient services regularly admit and treated with leprosy patients, and also perform the reconstructive surgeries carried out regularly. Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute at Aska in Orissa district, established in 1977 with 67 sanctioned positions and 53 in positions. There are 50 bedded hospitals. There are giving inpatient services includes admission, treatment, and given to the leprosy patients. The fourth institute are Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute at Gauripur, Bankura Est, West Bengal. These Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute is established in 1984, having 100 sanction posts and 71 in positions. The as research center is having 50 beds capacity for admission of patients, and also used for providing services to the outpatient. It is also providing inpatient services for admitting and treat the leprosy patients, and giving physiotherapy services for eyes, and other services are performed. These are the four premier leprosy institutes working under Director General of Health Services and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India. These institutes are play an important role in management of referral patients and providing quality care to the chronic ulcers, and also monitoring the minor and major reconstructive surgeries